Welcome to our lesson on applied optimization, specifically tailored for business and economics. In this video, we will explore how calculus helps us solve real-world problems. Our main goal is to understand how mathematics can help businesses make the best possible decisions. So, what exactly is optimization? Simply put, it is the mathematical process of finding the best possible solution to a problem. In a business context, best usually means one of two things. We either want to maximize something good, like profit and revenue, or we want to minimize something bad, like cost and waste. Before we dive into the math, let's learn the language. We use the variable x to represent quantity, which is the number of units produced or sold. C of x is the cost function, representing total expenses. R of x is the revenue function, representing total income. And finally, P of x is the profit function, which is the net income earned. Here is the most important equation you will need. Profit equals revenue minus cost. Mathematically, we write this as P of x equals R of x minus C of x. Our primary goal in this lesson is to find the value of x that makes P of x as large as possible. In economics, you will often hear the word marginal. This is just a fancy word for the derivative. It represents the change resulting from one additional unit. Marginal revenue, written as R prime of x, is the extra money from selling one more item. Marginal cost, or C prime of x, is the extra cost to make one more item. Now for the calculus magic. To find a maximum or minimum value on a graph, we look for where the slope is flat. This means we set the derivative to 0. So, to maximize profit, we set P prime of x equal to 0. This leads us to a powerful conclusion. Profit is maximized when marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Here is your 3-step strategy for solving these problems. First, construct your profit function by subtracting cost from revenue. Second, find the derivative P prime of x. Third, set that derivative equal to 0 and solve for x. This value of x gives you the optimal production level. Let's visualize this. Here we have a graph of a typical profit function, which looks like an inverted parabola. Notice the green curve representing profit. The highest point on this curve is where the tangent line is perfectly horizontal. At this peak, the slope, or derivative, is exactly 0. We can also use optimization to minimize costs. This graph shows the average cost curve in blue, which is often U-shaped. The red line represents marginal cost. A key principle in economics is that the average cost is at its absolute lowest point, exactly where it intersects with the marginal cost curve. To wrap up, remember these key points. Our goal is to find the most efficient level of production. We use revenue, cost, and profit functions as our tools. Our method is to calculate the derivative and set it to 0. And the result tells us that maximum profit occurs when the extra money you make equals the extra money you spend.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.